3 high school students were found dead and 7 others unconscious on Tuesday in Gangneung after being poisoned by carbon monoxide. Out of those 7, 2 have now regained consciousness. Wonju has the latest.
A second student has regained consciousness out of the 7 that were found in a critical condition after suffering carbon monoxide poisoning at a guest house in Gangneung.
On Wednesday morning, we finished the second hyperbaric oxygen treatment, and 1 student has recovered to the point of being capable of communication. 1 additional student is partially responding to our questions. 2 others are showing signs of recovery, but we still have to wait and see. 1 of them has a tracheal intubation.
Taking the doctor's advice, the students will not be moved from Wonju Severance Christian Hospital to other hospitals for further hyperbaric oxygen treatment. The police and the National Forensic Service investigating the accident found 8 times the normal level of carbon monoxide in the room the students were found in.
The head of the Central Forensic Medical Center conducted an autopsy and found a concentration of carbon monoxide in the blood well above the lethal dose, confirming the cause of death as carbon monoxide poisoning, as no other toxic substances were detected.
The gas boiler of the room was found disconnected from the stovepipe and is believed to have produced a lot of exhaust gas. A second round of investigation started today at 2 p.m. to find the exact cause of the accident. The investigators are running combustion tests with the gas boiler and the stovepipe to analyze the composition of exhaust gas produced. Hongyu, Arirang News.